It's really exciting today, going out to Ruapuna Raceway here in Christchurch. Haven't been for over 25 years. Today we're going to watch my little sis race her MT09 around on a track day, which is really a have-a-go day. Really cool, and also watch the BEARS racing. Now BEARS stands for British, European and American Racing. It was formed in the early 80s for some guys to take out their Triumphs, have a bit of a race around and not get too behind all the big Japanese bikes which really dominated back then. Really grown now. There's lots of Ducatis and even the KTMs have come on board, being European. So really excited. Got a beautiful Ducati, looks like a 1098. Oh, listen to that, you can hear the dry clutch. Have a wander around here. Got a Triumph Triple. Another lovely Ducati, KTM, Aprilia Tuono V4. We've got a Ducati 400 over here, KTM. Beautiful Aprilia Tuono, absolutely lovely. Got a Mule. Just listen to that, eh? Pure heaven. Here's my sister's MT09. Another beautiful Aprilia. It's like a 675 Triumph. Ducati 959. Not convinced this is out on the track. But beautiful Kelly. Wow, would you look at this beautiful Ducati. Just lovely. What else we got over here? A few KTMs. KTMs are really popular nowadays, and they also fall into the BEARS class, being European. The 390s are being especially popular. Whole row of KTMs. Okay, so we're going to go here and we look at the Ducatis and just lust after, but check this out. Original chopper, ready for restoration. Worth a fortune just in its state now, but when it's really restored, I mean, these things were super cool back in the 70s and 80s. Even I had one. Just remembered not to go too fast with that little front wheel. Tank slapped and crashed. I did that many times. What a project. So over here we've got the rider's briefing, like normal.
2017 959 Panigale. Managed to find some BTS carbon rims for it, so that completely changes how the bike rides. A few aftermarket bits and pieces. Clear clutch cover, Desmo clutch cover, and yeah, it's a work in progress. I'll get an aftermarket slip on for it eventually, and probably an Olin's, what do you call it?
TTX?
Sorry?
TTX, is it?
Yeah.
TTX, I think, the Olin's.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Work in progress. Looking forward to having a good ride.
Awesome, thanks Guy. Here's my sister Jo and her beautiful MT09. You may not be able to hear me too much just because of all the noise, music, absolute music. And she's out here going to have a really great day on a have a go day. She's going to stay upright too, isn't she? See, we've got a Triumph 675. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. And who am I talking to?
Angus.
Yeah,
Angus.
I'm Chris.
Oh yeah?
Great to meet you.
Yeah, likewise, mate.
So you're racing the bears all the time? Was this a have a go day or?
This is my first time, yeah.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Good on you.
I had the bike a week now. So, yeah, I'm fresh off the boat.
Nice.
Yeah, it's good.
And what a stunning bike it is too.
Oh, cheers, man.
So here we got Evan and he's got a CB404. These bikes are absolutely brilliant, really good for racing. Nice, solid, cheap, and just, yeah, lots of fun. So, enjoy your race today.
We'll do it after that.
KTM's warming up. These RC390s are so popular, especially just with the BS class. Cheap, affordable, and lots of fun.
What are we going out?
Beautiful RSV4. Yep.
1987 FZR 400R SP, which means it's got a racing gearbox, a little bit better suspension, and yeah, hopefully it's going to go better today than it has been.
Enjoy your ride today, thank you. Joe's about to go out. Here's our have a go day, people. Look at that, eh? $50 or $60 a day and you just go around the track. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Look at the variety of bikes too. Ducatis, KTMs, Yamahas. Here we are at Ruapuna Raceway. About to watch my sister go around. Here's a good shot of it. This is just absolutely fantastic. This is what you get when you go out on the track. And that's an exit from us today. Been absolutely awesome. Thanks to my sis Jo. Till next time.